Beloved Director Principal Sir, amazing Vice Principal Ma'ams, adorable Headmistress Ma'am, our wonderful teachers, loving parents, and of course, our super energetic and enthusiastic friends.
With hearts full of joy, today I, Shivansh,
And I, Shivya,
welcome you to a magical evening where the young stars, classes 2 and 3, take center stage. Tonight, they bring to life a soulful musical tribute, one that celebrates the beauty of family, the melody of togetherness, and the unconditional love that wraps us all in its warm embrace.
we promise you, this evening will touch your hearts, remind you of the warmth of home, and bring you even closer to your loved ones. Through every song, smile, and performance, we'll celebrate the laughter, care, and little moments that make every family truly special. So sit back, relax, and let the magic of music and togetherness fill the air tonight.
A little word of caution. You might just find your eyes glistening tonight, perhaps by remembering your loved ones, or simply because your heart feels so full and blessed.
We certainly feel blessed to be a part of this wonderful institution that nurtures just not bright minds but compassionate hearts. As proud students of this hallowed school, we carry forward a rich legacy of excellence where every child is encouraged to dream big, shine bright, and grow into a confident global citizen.
It fills us with immense pride to belong to a family that continues to create world-class leaders, change makers, and visionaries who shine superbly in the academic circles across the globe.
We have not only scaled the heights of educational excellence, but have also stayed deeply rooted in the rich tapestry of Indian culture and values. Our grand event of 2020 and tradition, a celebration of learning with heart and heritage.
We must remember success never comes with shortcuts. It asks for dedication, determination, and unwavering belief in one's dream. And today's spectacular evening is no exception. It is the glorious outcome of Medical Planet, months of tireless preparation, and the heartfelt hard work of the talented students and teachers.
And now, without further ado, let's begin this magical evening on the perfect note, a prayer in our hearts in the praise of the Almighty whose boundless grace and kindness light up our lives every single day.
May I request our Reverend Director Principal Sir to kindly escort our esteemed Shikis Sir and the distinguished guests on the stage for the felicitation ceremony.
Fills the surroundings with the Almighty's divine grace and radiant energy. This sacred light stands for abundance, prosperity, and the eternal flame of knowledge. May this glow inspire us all, sweeping away the shadows of ignorance and ushering in the bright dawn of self-realization and wisdom.
Keeping alive the beautiful innate tradition of commencing every auspicious occasion with the lighting of the lamp. May I not take this privilege to request our Honorable Director Principal Sir to kindly escort the respected Shikis Sir for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp as we see the Almighty's blessing for wisdom, prosperity, and happiness.
Now that the lamp has illuminated the path of wisdom, let us invoke the blessings of Lord Shiva. That was truly a performance filled with piety, devotion, and divine energy. A beautiful start to this magical evening. We now have the pleasure of inviting our beloved Director Principal Sir to extend a heartfelt welcome to our respected Chief Guest Sir and to this august gathering. God refuses to let that dim her spirit or her love for her family when she notices strange cracks creeping through their magical house and the family's sparks starting to fade. She happily throws herself into the mystery, determined to protect a miracle that means so much to all of them.
As Mirabelle digs deeper, she starts to understand the hidden worries and pressures each family member carries behind their perfect smiles. With her kindness, courage, and ability to really listen, she helps them open up, laugh again, and realize that they are worthy of love, not because of their gifts, but because of who they are.
Her journey leads to a beautiful moment of truth where the family finally faces their fears, lets go of impossible expectations, and chooses compassion over perfection. In the end, Mirabelle becomes the sparkling heart of the Madrigals, helping them rebuild their home, mend their relationship, and celebrate a happier, more united family where everyone can shine in their own special way.
And a effortless performance brought to life so beautifully by our young stars. Their talent, energy, and confidence, they lit up the stage and won every heart in the audience.
The way they performed with such naturally bright smiles and perfect coordination showed how hard they had worked and how much they enjoyed. And perfect coordination showed how hard they had worked and how much they enjoyed being on stage. Each act showed in their own special way, turning the act into a joyful celebration of creativity and teamwork. So let us all put our hands together and give them a huge generous round of applause for their fantastic performance and incredible spirit. May I now request our worthy Chief Guest Sir to enlighten the rest with his words of wisdom.
With I request Amrusha Rohan to present the vote of thanks on behalf of the school.